Hello guys. Hello guys, this is Slayer Gaming here. I'm on my mobile device again, and we're gonna do a game called Plug and Play. I can't get on my computer yet, but getting close. Okay, things loading. Hmm. What is happening? Okay, here we go. How to reload it. Have you seen already that I played this before? But I haven't played this in a year and minutes. Okay, let's see. This looks so funny. Look at it. Mm. It's a new dance move. Mm. Plug and play. Hmm. Forgot this word. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Your gummy worms. That's one big thing. Psych. What? What? His finger came off. Fingernail. Ow. What the? Why? No! I didn't get to know you, man. What happened? No! Oh, he's alive. Hi, how you doing? Okay? You still alive here? Okay. Ooh, can make him run. Can make him run forward. Hmm. Ow. What? You just gonna leave him right there? What? Go tap about a million times. Oh my god, you're so cruel. Plug it back in. Okay, let's see if the shadows are real. Yeah, I like how they make the shadows all around here. It's pretty good. Okay. Nice shadowing. Ooh. Tap. Tag you're it. Tag you're it. Tag you're it. Tag you're it. No. Don't mess it up. There we go. Tag you're it. Tag. What? Okay. Can I pull these things off? No. Ooh, they're buddies maybe. And they just got tied up. More buddies. Buddies. Tag. Do it. What? He's right there. Oh, his butt showing. That's what you get, Larry. That's what you get. That's what you get, Jeff. That's what you get, Bob. That's what you get, Steven. Okay, let's go. Let's keep up. Eh, eh. What the? Yeah, good idea. Is there like a little button here? Press about a million times. What the? No. Okay. Can you like plug these together? No, get over here. E. Plug. Okay. Okay. Left or right? Well, I am a lefty. Sorry, righties. I'm left. Yay, I'm still here. Sorry. As you see. What the? That dude just pulled in his things. What happened? Okay, right, people? Better not put that out. No. Ew, you hear it? Hear the sound? Ew, you hear it? Is that? Ew. Do you follow these? Is this your life? Put that right there. Throw it over there. Go get it. Ow. Do you want this? Do you really want this? Can I put this on your head? No, it's your little poop. You need to put your eyes on. Never mind. Just throw it over there. You put it back on. Yay! Oh. Yay. Oh. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. This one or this one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If he hollers, let him go. Okay, bye. Hey, blame Eeny, miny, mo for that. Does that work? Ooh, yay, we all are even. Okay.
Hi.
Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Do I know you?
Do I know you? I don't know.
You know me?
Do you know me? How could I know?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yes, you do.
No.
No. Yes.
No.
No. Yes.
Okay, it's gonna be quite messed up if I say yes.
Yes. No.
You're messed up. What the? Lady, you're messed up. Hey, no, it's not locked cause, come on. Oh, no, dude.
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
I don't know.
How do you not know?
I think you love me.
Yes, you do.
I don't love you enough.
Neither do I.
Neither do I. Do you want to hug me?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. I think you love me.
Okay.
I love you. I don't think I love you. Are you sure? I think you don't love me. Hug me. I'm not sure.
Okay, now you're just copying me.
Do you listen to me? I do.
Surely
Surely
not.
not. Yes.
No.
No. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. No.
Oh my god. This is messed up right here. This is messed up stuff. I'll just walk off, man. I'm sorry. Can't get nothing. Do you love me?
Love me? I don't know. I love you. I don't think I love you.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? I think you don't love me.
I know I love you.
I love you. I'm not sure.
Do you listen to me?
I do.
Surely not.
Surely not. Yes. Yes. No.
Get away from me, lady. I went through this already. You told me. Okay, please don't go back. Oh my god. Still go on.
Do you love me? I don't know. I think you love me.
Yeah.
I don't love you enough. I love you. I don't think I love you.
Are you sure?
Sure? I think you don't love me.
I know I love you. Okay.
I'm not sure. I do love you. I don't. It hurts.
It hurts.
I'm leaving.
What? messed up. Darkness mountain. Sorry guys, I had to keep that pause. Just my headphone broke. Okay, let's work this. Right? I've been mean to you today. I was gonna give you something. Ooh. Plug. I'm with you again. Oh my god. Okay, I'm pulling. Pull. Do this. Here, just pull your arm. Ooh, give yourself a hug. Hug, sorry. Uh-oh. Don't plug into each other. Please don't. Touch. Wow. Oh, what? Don't do not go into his butthole. Oh, thank gosh. I do not want to see that. Here, go. Wanna cause a fire if I did this? Get away. You don't. You hear the static stuff. Plug it in slow. Stay. Oh my god, you went to that dude's butthole. How he's going to poop? You don't poop inside your mouth?